Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah B, and I am here to open up a goodie box from ThredUp. Um, I love this box. I really do. So, ThredUp is an online thrift shop, which promotes sustainability through recycling and reusing clothes. Something I completely get behind. Because of my size, I have a really hard time finding things at thrift stores that fit me. This is a good opportunity to find new and fun stuff. I've had some really good goodie boxes from ThredUp. It's at $10 for them to pack up a box and send it to you, and then that $10 gets credited towards whatever you keep. I've gotten some amazing dresses and beautiful brand new with tags on stuff. My last box was not the best, but thanks to my lovely viewers and the comments you received, including my stylist, how cool is that? I got some good tips on how to encourage a box better suited to what I'm looking for. So I'm really excited to get into this and see how we made out, with the total understanding that it is also dependent on what's available at the time. So I've spent a lot of time favoriting things on the ThredUp app. I still need to work on putting together a Pinterest page and that kind of stuff so that my stylist will see. But here we go. The other reason I love this box, you have 7 days to look at everything and send it back. So you have a really long time, although I've waited because of the holidays and everything else. I've gotten kind of behind. Oh my gosh. So I need to do this, but they also send you 10 pieces. So it's a lot to go through. So I can't lift up the bundle. Not easily. Oh my gosh, you guys. Here is half of the bundle. Dude, oh my gosh. And here is the other half of the bundle. I'm really excited. Okay, let's start looking. You guys. So I picked out, oh my lord. Yes! I picked out, the box I'm getting is 9 to 5 wear, being more professional wear. Look at this cool sweater. I don't know if the light is always bad in my videos. Really sorry, I'm working on it, I promise you. But it's kind of purpley, a marled purple. From Maurice's. And look at that cute hem with the knot in it. Yay! It's beautiful. There's a little bit of a little bit of stuff around the sleeves, loose threads. But I think that's supposed to be worn folded, so it doesn't even matter. Like I said, most of the stuff that I get from ThredUp has been new with tags, to be perfectly honest. But I'm also expecting used clothes, which is kind of the point and why they can give you such a great deal. I'm really excited about this. You guys. Oh man, I didn't fully open it before I said you guys. I'm not sure. But look how cool this is. Oh my gosh, it's a dress even? I just thought it was an awesome shirt. It's from Colleen. And it is a dress. Kind of summer weight. Well, totally summer weight, but that's totally fine. Beautiful hem. Not sure how I feel about the beading and sequins and stuff. It's beautiful. It's totally beautiful. It's not what I typically go for, but that doesn't mean I can't start, right? It's the point of getting these boxes sent to my house, to encourage me to try something new. Another sweater. This is from, Massimo. Oh, it's one of those. It has a very fitted waist. Let's See? But like dolman sleeves? I dig it. As long as this bit fits me, we'll be good. I thought I saw tags on this. No, it's something else I'm looking at that I see tags on. Alright, these I'm not so sure about. They're from Carol Little the second. The pants. New with tags. Originally $70. Good Lord. Oh, it's a skirt! I take it back. It's a skirt. I can always use a long black skirt. So I am a Jill of many trades, and one of my trades is being a professional classical musician. I can always use long black skirts. That is amazing. So that's awesome. Cool. Super stretchy, brand new with tags. Fantastic. Now, dude, what is this? Oh my gosh. This is a Lane Bryant denim dress. I've been wanting one of these, but I wasn't sure if I could pull it off. Oh, it looks like it's missing a button. Which is okay, friends, because I know how to sew on buttons. In fact, look at this. Check this out. So it's missing a button on the bottom. Like the second to last button. So what I would probably do is move this button up and put like a fancy button on the bottom, like the very, very bottom one, or just leave it off, and then you have like a little bit more kick room. Or take this button and move that one down there and put the fancy one up top. I'm down. I dig this. Yay! So that's one thing about these boxes is they seem to go on forever when you're opening things, and then you just want to be like at a point when you're trying things on. Lisa Rena collection? Or Liza? It's a tunic. Just like super swooshy at the bottom. Comfy. Like heavier material. Definitely like more sweater than t-shirt. And another sweater. This one was new with tags from Nick and Zoe. It still has its Stitch Fix label on it. Wow. Dude, it's a duster cardigan. You guys, this is amazing. This is what I live in. And it has pockets. Oh, man. Oh, I'm not going to look yet. I shouldn't look yet. That's rude. And then this, I have no idea how to say this. This is the label. I don't know how to say that. Look at this color, though. Look at this dress! Oh my gosh. How great is this? I don't think it's going to fit me at all. I think they sent me the wrong size. I don't think it's going to fit me. But it is absolutely the perfect style for me. Okay. I'm really excited. I love this. And then there's still 2 more pieces. Here's a shirt from Ann Taylor Loft Outlet. Just like businessy shirt. Not businessy, but could wear to work. But it's just like t-shirt material. And the last bit is from Banana Republic. Excuse me. And this is like suiting wear, I guess we would call it. Very cool. Dudes, I am so excited. I'm going to try some stuff on, and I'll be right back. So the Banana Republic top and the Ann Taylor top, or the Loft top, were both just a little bit too short for me to feel like really comfortable in. So I just kind of put them to the side. There's nothing worth saying there. This top is nice. I mean, there's nothing extraordinary about it, but it's long, it's comfy, it's flowy. It's like I said before, a little bit heavier weight, which makes it nicer for these cooler weather months. So that is very exciting as well. This is the Massimo top, which is like the Target brand, which is just really comfy and really nice. And I could easily dress up or dress down, and fits beautifully, and is super soft and really lovely and just wonderful. And I wouldn't take it off except I have other things to try on. So here we go. I forget the name of this brand. I just really like the sweater. I love extra long sleeves, and this is perfect. And like, it's just interesting and a little bit something. It's like a tiny bit shorter than what I would have, had in an ideal world. But I need sweaters, and this is beautiful, and it fits me perfectly, so I can deal with it being not, a smidge too short for me. So, yay! I don't have anywhere to wear this dress right now. Like, nowhere. But I need to have it. It just fits me so perfectly. And it's super stretchy and comfortable. I was able to put it on, like, without even having to undo the zipper. And I didn't think it was going to fit me at all because of the size that's on the tag. So, hooray for that! My stylist is amazing and clearly a genius. Clearly. Fits perfectly. I'm so, so happy. If only it had pockets. That's alright. I'll wear the cardigan with it that does have pockets. Perfect. Perfect. Now I just have to find a place to wear it. And here's the Lane Bryant dress. And again, the only thing that would make it better would be pockets. It's so great. It fits me so nicely. There's like this. There's not as much pulling as there usually is. I mean, there's a smidge of pulling, but I like it too much to not keep it. Now, let's just see. I've had this amazing box, and I've got all these wins. Let's see what the cost comes to. Let's see if I can keep everything that I love. So now let's go through and see how much everything costs, and if I can make it work. Also, I'm realizing, here it is. I didn't find my envelope, which is the shipping label to send things back in that I don't want, and an ad for gift cards for the holiday season. Very nice. Okay, so here we go. The women's Lisa Rinna top. You guys, there's so much here. Oh, I think it's this. Lisa Rinna top, which was lovely. Which was fine, but not something like I'm totally in love with. Everything is on a pile on the floor. I gotta fold it again. The estimated retail is $30. They're asking $18 for it, which I think is a really good price. So that's cool. The Banana Republic top, which was too small, sadly. They estimated retail of $89, and they're asking $17. And it's like new. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't fit me, which is a sad. Here we go. The women's Muxen casual dress. Oh my gosh. They only estimated the retail value as $36 with the asking price of $19. Yes, this is staying with me for $19 and fitting like a glove. Oh yes. I just need to find a place to wear it and learn more about this brand. It has, it's very reminiscent of, I always say the name wrong, Ishitaki. It's very reminiscent of that, but I don't know, I love it. It fits me beautifully. I'm keeping it. The women's Carol Little casual skirt, which fit fine. I was not in love with the way it fit, so I don't think I'm going to keep it just because it's, I like skirts that are like not quite so pencily, that they're a little bit more flowy, but they It's $69 originally. They're asking $19 for it. Oh my gosh. The women's Lane Bryant casual dress, estimated retail value of $71. They're asking $20. Yes, please. Done. Love it. Love it. And there's the belt that goes with it. The women's Maurice pullover sweater, $34 at estimated retail. They're asking $14. $14. My gosh. The women's Massimo Supply Company pullover sweater, which is the Target brand. Estimated retail of $24. They're asking $9. Like, how can you not, right? How can you not? It's comfy. It's, every day. It's wonderful. The Nick Enzo cardigan, which I immediately put back on as I got dressed. The estimated retail value is $149, which I can totally see coming from Stitch Fix and knowing that the brands that they carry and the quality thereof. And it's immaculate. It's beautiful. It still has its tags on. They're asking $32 for it. Yes, I will give you $32 to keep this on. Absolutely. The women's Assorted Brands cocktail dress, which is this blue one that didn't quite fit, unfortunately. It was just not quite wide enough where it needed to be. We'll leave it at that. But they estimated retail of this was $60, and they're asking $29. And then the women's Ann Taylor Loft Outlet t-shirt, they estimated $40, and they're asking $21, which for a loft shirt makes sense, but it's not something I'm looking to spend on a t-shirt right now, especially when I can spend $32 on this amazing sweater, which is something that I need. You guys, this is awesome. And my dear stylist, thank you so much for being so wonderful and sending me such fabulous things. Now, I have to do some math because my pile of things I want to keep is large. And 'tis the holiday season where I'm supposed to be spending money on other people. But I think what I might end up doing is just wrapping some presents for myself. And that's okay too. Thank you as always for joining me. If you're interested in getting your own ThredUp goodie box, they're tons of fun. They're low commitment. It's $10 for a ton of stuff. I highly recommend using my referral link below, which will give you some money to use towards your first box. And spend some time on the ThredUp app highlighting your favorite stuff, because it totally paid off for me, and this was like the best box ever. And I've gotten, well, I can't say, I mean, it's been an amazing box, but I had one box that was similar in that I got 2 dresses from, one of which I wore to a wedding recently and got tons of compliments on. And again, was like from a thrift store online, and I couldn't be happier. So yay. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Be well, and until next time, bye-bye.